Myself, K. Jayashree. My roll number 234G1A0242. Branch EEE A section. My topic is two-port network in H parameters. Subject name Electrical Circuit Analysis 2. Subject code 23EEE302. Two-port network. A two-port network, a kind of four-terminal network or quadruport, is an electrical network circuit or device with two pairs of terminals to connect to external circuits. This is the diagram. Two-port network. A two-port network is regarded as a black box with its properties specified by a matrix of numbers. This allows the response of the network to signals applied to the ports to be calculated easily without solving for all the internal voltages and currents in the network. Two-port network parameters. Number 1, Z parameters. Number 2, Y parameters. Number 3, H parameters. Number 4, ABCD T parameters. Hybrid parameters. Hybrid H parameters. Hybrid parameters are also referred as H parameters. These are referred as hybrid because here Z parameters, Y parameters, voltage ratio, current ratio all are used to represent the relation between voltage and current in a two-port network. V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. V1 I2 is equal to H11 H12 H21 H22 into I1 V2. H parameters. Hybrid parameters or H parameters are very much useful in analyzing electronics circuit where transistors like elements are connected. In those circuits, sometimes it is difficult to measure two parameters, Z parameters and Y parameters, but hybrid parameters can be measured in much easier way. This is the diagram. Even in case of an ideal transformer, Z parameters cannot be used since the relations between voltages and current in that ideal transformer would be, it is impossible to analyze a transformer with Z parameters because a transformer does not have Z parameters. V1 is equal to 1 by n into V2 and I1 is equal to minus NI2. This is the diagram. Individual values. H11 is short circuit. Input impedance H12 is open circuit. Reverse voltage gain H21 is short circuit. Forward current gain H22 is open circuit. Output admittance H11 is equal to V1 I1. V1 is equal to 0. V2 is equal to 0. H12 is equal to V1 by V2. I1 is equal to 0. H21 is equal to I2 by I1. V2 is equal to 0. H22 is equal to I2 by V2. I1 is equal to 0. Calculation for H11 and H21. The condition is that V2 is equal to 0, which means that the right side of the two-port network is short circuited. For H12 and H22, the condition is I1 is equal to 0, which means that the left side of the two-port network is open circuited. H parameter equivalent circuit. This is a diagram. Conclusion: the H parameter model is concluded to be useful for determining current amplification, input impedance, and conductance, but is best suited to low frequency small signal analysis. Thank you.